Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is the part 2 of how I'm making my custom handmade PC cases. So let's begin. As you know, this is part 3, which is welding. Before welding completely, we should weld 3 or 4 spots to hold the object in place. Now there's 2 edges ready to be welded completely. This is called argon weld. It can weld 2 edges like it was never there. Now it's time to use grinding stone to make it clean. At this moment, I'm welding some of the parts in home by myself because he can weld the parts that need to be in place correctly. Okay, this is what it looks after all the welding's done. I did weld the center wall, GPU holder and the legs. This is painting step, the last part. Before spraying painting, it should be cleaned by gasoline or alcohol and then getting hot by torch, because this process helps the paint stick better. This video is done. In the next video I will swap my parts from old case to the new one. See you in the next one.